Alright, now we're going to taste some of this stuff from Brandless. If you haven't tried Brandless, link is in the description below. You get $6 off your first order of $39 or more. You also get free shipping. Sometimes they have codes for free items. So, let's get started. We are going to try the cheese square crackers. Almond pistachio biscotti thins. Cinnamon twists. Sweet potato crisps. Sour cream and onion popped potato crisps. And the honey graham crackers. Alright, what do you want to start with?
It's all salty.
The two are salty.
Whatever the green box is then.
Okay, we're going to start it with the almond pistachio biscotti thins. Non-GMO and artificial colors or flavors, no artificial preservatives. They have wheat flour, egg, cane sugar, almonds, pistachios, natural flavors, cinnamon, and sea salt. Contains wheat, egg, almonds, pistachios. Product of Canada. May contain soy or milk. There's 5 servings in here. 8 pieces is a serving. Calories is 120. 4 grams of fat. Half a gram of saturated fat. 15 milligrams of cholesterol. 70 milligrams of sodium. 18 carbohydrates. 8 grams of sugar. 4 grams of protein. 6% of your daily iron. 2% of your daily calcium. And 2% of your daily potassium. What they look like. You know, normally you want to have these with coffee or something. I could eat these all day long. These are great. They're barely sweet. What do you think?
They're not awful.
He doesn't like them. Okay, the next thing I'm going to try are these cinnamon twists. Non-GMO, no artificial flavors, vegan, brandless. You'll probably take them out of the bag or box.
That way you know what they are.
Unbleached enriched wheat flour, sugar, water, palm margarine, natural butter flavor, citric acid, antioxidant, vitamin A and coloring, natural flavor, ground cinnamon, salt, vital wheat gluten, monocalcium, phosphate, monohydrate soybean oil. Contains wheat. 4 pieces have 110 calories. There are 4.5 servings per container. 4.5 grams of fat, 2.5 grams of saturated fat, 95 milligrams of sodium, 16 carbs, 8 grams of sugar, 1 gram of protein, 2% calcium, 6% iron. I'm going to go ahead and say that I don't like that they used margarine instead of butter. Just going to put that out there. These are strange little things.
Boy, they are.
They're good though. It's like eating cinnamon toast.
It's unusual.
I think that's really good. I'm gonna say that's another thumbs up.
You're right, that is like cinnamon toast.
That's pretty good. Alright, let's go with these sweet potato crisps. Stay in the cinnamon theme. Cinnamon and sugar, non-GMO, gluten-free, no artificial flavors, no preservatives, brandless, sweet potato chip, sunflower oil, sugar, cinnamon. Now the sweet potato chip, it says is rice flour, sweet potato powder, tapioca starch, organic yellow corn flour, and annatto, I guess that's how you say it, produced in a facility that handles dairy and soy, made in the U.S. Servings per container is 5. You get 28 crisps for 120 calories, 4 grams of fat, 20 grams of carbohydrates, 5 grams of sugar, 1 gram of protein, and that's it. So, thank you. That's what they look like. Another win. Those are good. Tony's not a fan of sweet potato, so.
No.
So I don't think he likes those, I'm not sure. What do you think about those? He's like,
Sorry about the noise.
alright, honey graham crackers. These should be, you know, a graham cracker's a graham cracker, right? Organic, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, no organic preservatives. I mean, no artificial preservatives. Oh, Lord. Organic wheat flour, organic sugar, organic high oleic sunflower oil, and or organic high oleic safflower oil, and or canola oil, organic whole wheat flour, organic honey, organic molasses, contains less than 2% of each of the following: organic cane syrup, sea salt, baking soda, ammonium bicarbonate, cream of tartar. Contains wheat, produced in a facility that uses peanuts, tree nuts, milk, eggs, and soy. 13 servings per container. A serving is 8 crackers, 130 calories, 4 grams of fat, 125 milligrams of sodium, 24 grams of carbohydrates, less than 1 gram of fiber, 7 grams of sugars, 2 grams of protein, 4% of your daily iron. Alright, let's try these. I got it. That tastes great, just like a graham cracker. I'm going to say that they're not as good as honey-made graham crackers. They don't have that little bit of sweetness that I'm used to. But they're probably a lot better for you. Sorry for that pause. Okay, these are the cheese square crackers. Organic, made with real cheese. 7 ounces. Okay, has organic. Sorry, I got my shoe turned around. Organic wheat flour, organic high oleic and safflower oil. Wow, this has a lot of stuff. I'm going to hold this up. Can you all see that? Screenshot that. Because, wow. Contains wheat, milk, made in a facility that uses eggs and soy. 7 servings per container. 30 crackers is a serving. 130 calories, 5 grams of fat, half a gram of saturated fat, 280 milligrams of sodium, 20 carbs, less than 1 gram of fiber. Total sugars is 0. 2 grams of protein, 2% of your daily iron, and that's it. This looks like a, whoa, yep. Looks like a really small cheese cracker. Good for them.
They're good.
Yeah, they're good. They're like cheeses. They're not like cheese nips, which, thank goodness.
They're fresh too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, these claim they're good till April of next year. Yep, I'll buy those again. Alright, last item. Sour cream and onion pop potato crisp. Non-GMO, gluten-free, no artificial colors or flavors, no artificial preservatives. Potato crisp has potato, rice flour, potato starch, mono and diglycerides. Sour cream and onion seasoning has whey powder, salt, buttermilk powder, dehydrated onion, sugar, maltodextrin, natural flavor, dehydrated garlic, dehydrated parsley, sour cream solids, cultured non-fat milk, lactic acid, citric acid, malic acid, and sunflower oil. Contains milk produced in a facility that handles dairy and soy. There are 5 servings per container. 1 ounce or 24 crisps is a serving. It has 120 calories, 4 grams of fat, 230 milligrams of sodium, 19 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber, 2 grams of sugar, 2 grams of protein, 2% of your daily calcium, and 3% of your daily potassium. Wow, that smell just comes right out of that bag and smacks you. This is what they look like. Onion's a bit strong, or onion and garlic is a bit strong.
Mm-hmm. I like them.
Did you say you like them?
I like them.
Oh, well, you get the whole bag, babe. He liked those. That's great. A little side note. He tried these. Did you like them? It's good fresh nuts. Okay, good fresh nuts. Alright, I'm going to say my favorite. I'm trying to see what products are over there. There was a cinnamon toast and the graham crackers. The Sweet potato chips.
Biscottis.
And the biscottis. Well, definitely out of the two savory, I definitely like the cheese crackers. I did not like the sour cream. I really liked those sweet potato chips. I really did. That was just really, really good. I liked all of the products this time, which is except for the sour cream crisps. Those were just...
Reminds me of a Funyun.
It reminded me of... No, I wouldn't say Funyun. It had a bitter flavor to it to me. But that may just be me. But I really liked a lot of these products. I liked all of them except that one, so... And I would... I buy all... Well, no, I don't think I'd buy the graham crackers again. Simply because they just didn't measure up to the Honey Maid. But, with that said, those are probably healthier. You know, they're non-GMO, they're organic, and all that stuff, so... Sometimes you gotta ask what's more important. A little bit of flavor difference, or eating better. Anyway, that was our review. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that bell so you never miss a video. And we'll see you next time. Bye!